So without wasting much of your time, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial will be on how I made a template on how I made a full lace wig cap I did last year, and many people were requesting me to make a video on how I created the template. So this is the video on how I created the template. The materials I'll use for this tutorial is, of course, you use a carton or any hard paper you can find around, a pen or an eye pencil and a tape. And then I'll measure the circumference of my head. I'll measure the circumference of my head so that I'll know the measurement. If you watch this video when I started, you will see where the picture I posted, that's the measurement you have to follow. So the circumference of my head is 22 inches, but it's supposed to be 21 inches, but I actually made a mistake there, so it's 21 inches. Then from my ear to the next ear, that's where I placed the tape, and it came out 13 inches. So the next place I'll take the measurement is the nape of my neck, or of my head, sorry. That's from the back ear to ear, that's it. And it gave me 8 8 inches, yeah. So the nape of the neck plus the front, that's the ear to ear of the neck, should be your total circumference. So that's 21 minus 13 will give me the nape of the neck. So I will now start measuring it on the hard paper I'm using for my template. So I measured out 13 inches on the hard paper. So then the next thing I will do is to measure my the front of my head to the nape of my, from here, from this hairline here to here is 6 inches. 6 inches. From there to here is 10 inches. 10 inches. Then from here to the back is 14 inches. 14 inches. So since it is a 14 inches, and from here to here is 6 inches, from here to here is 10 inches. So I'll remove from 6 stars. I'll move 1 2 3 4 inches. I remove 4 inches. Then the remaining 1 2 3 4 is for the back. So we bring out 13 inches. can see at the front. One, two. So half of 13. 13 is 7.5. So 6.5. Six. So after cutting out the template, I'll now fold it into two equal halves. As you can see, as after I folded it, there's extra space or extra this thing left on the paper, so I'll now trim it off so that everything will be equal. Then at this point, you can decide to cut it into two. You can decide to use it like that way as your template. Now you have to mark it as you write on top, that's front. Now, disclaimer of this video, I am not a fashion designer or a tailor, so whatever I'm doing here is based on my own experience, the way I do, the way I use that works for me. So if you think this is not the way I have to do it, so you can comment down below a safer way or a more accurate way to do it. So I'll now proceed in measuring the back of the template. Remember, in our measurement we did 8 inches, but right here I'll be making it 9 inches because I forgot to put a little bit inches for the sewing. Remember, you have to sew it, so I use 1 inches for the sewing. So you have to divide it by 2, just the way you did for the front, and so that you mark out the back of the template. Now remember when I did the measurement for the back, that's from the front to the nape, and we got 4 inches for the back. So this is it right here. So you do the back 4 inches, then the size will be 3.5 inches. So after doing that, after marking it out, you just do it just the way I did the one for the front, and that's it, guys. It is so easy. You cut it out, fold into two, and trim it. Please guys, if this is your first time of coming by to my channel, please subscribe. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel guys, and also like this video, share and comment down below what you love about this video or what you think about this video. So guys, thanks for coming in here, and if you are no subscriber, I appreciate you a lot for being here with me all this while. Thank you, I appreciate it a lot. So this template I will be using to make another cap. That's a 360 cap, and if you know you haven't watched the one I did earlier in my previous video, that's the full lace wig cap, please click on the notification bell below, on the description box below. You will see a link that will take you there so that you see how to make your own full lace cap or your own 360 lace cap. So guys, this is it for this video. Hope you love it, hope you learned something new. See you in my next video. Bye bye.